Merry Christmas!
Good morning. You say good morning, Scully?
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas.
Guys, guess what is who is in our plant?
Go show him.
So the elf is in our plant.
What is the elf doing in our plants?
She's having mine because there's mud in there.
Oh my goodness, she's so silly.
And it's there.
Yes, it's the elf. What is she doing? Huh? She's a silly head. She's so silly. Okay, let's go move the countdown calendar. Let's go. Woo woo. So we have how many days? Slide it over one. You got to cover up 23. So now we have 22 days left until Christmas.
Is this where you want me to go or there?
Yeah, right there. 23. So what number is that?
2.
It's 2-2. So what is that? 20 what?
22.
22.
No.
Okay, listen. Let's give Summer a turn to put it on there. Summer, put it right there on that one.
Mommy, she keeps doing that.
Good job. All right, let's go do a craft. Come on.
I want to do this craft.
Uh-oh, be careful. Come on, Summer, let's go do a craft. So it's December 3rd. So we got to find a number 3. Number 3.
I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy?
Because Summer moved the thing and I wanted to do. I said I wanted to do.
It's okay. We have to share. Okay.
What are we going to make with these?
So let's figure out what these are.
Hey, Mom. These are
Here, there you go.
special ornaments for us.
You're welcome. You guys, they were looking so cute. They had their new PJs on. I got them yesterday from Target. That I showed y'all in the previous vlog. If y'all didn't see that one.
And we were staying here with Daddy.
Yeah, y'all were with Daddy.
And guess what?
Summer threw up last night on them. And then Skylar done changed out of them this morning. Like, what is this? What is this? Oh, okay. So I think these are cards that go on gift because it says
No.
to. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm going to get the ballerina.
So we have to keep these for when we wrap gifts. We're going to put like the person's name on there, who it goes to, and put it on the gift.
Who is this?
Are you tired?
Is this me?
Summer.
Yes, Mommy.
Eating ice cream.
No, Mommy.
Telling lies.
No, Mommy.
Open your mouth.
Mommy.
Yes, Summer.
Yeah.
No, Summer. What's up, guys? It is your girl, Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I hope everyone is doing good. Y'all, today is like semi-annual candle day, I guess. I don't know. Y'all know Bath & Body Works is having their candle sale. All candles are $10.95, and girl, I just went crazy on the internet. I wanted sweater weather, and it sold out when it was in my cart. I'm like, what the freak? Okay, so now I'm gonna have to go to the store later, which I was already planning on going anyways. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm so excited, like, oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Bath & Body Works later today, but I did end up getting 13 candles. Y'all, I stocked up on Marshmallow Fireside. I think I got 5 of those, and then I got some different scents. I just wanted to try some other scents, broaden my candle collection. Summer, yes. As soon as I turn on the camera, it's like they start calling my name. Like, what do you want? Yes, what is it? Oh, cool. I cannot believe I am up here looking like this. Like, what are we doing right now? Okay, but this is what you get when I have to vlog every single day. Like, what? So I am going to be getting this together because I have a wig video to do. So, ooh, your girl is going to be in a bob, and this is not even black hair. I forgot what color. I think it's like a blonde. So I'm excited to see what it looks like and how it turns out. I'll probably do the Rice Krispies with the girls trying to do like an activity or a craft every day with them. And we have to record our Vlogmas intro. By the time you're watching this, our intro is going to be done. It's going to be at the beginning of the vlog, but I'm vlogging ahead. So yeah, we got to record that today. I'm actually getting ready to do their hair. Since Christmas is in like what is the day? The 3rd. Christmas is on a Saturday. Okay, so that means New Year's is on a Saturday. But okay, so today's the 3rd. We have we have 3 weeks into Christmas. Therefore, I'm not going to shampoo their hair. I'm actually getting ready to take their braids out and just like re-braid each braid and just freshen it up so it can last like another 3 weeks. And then maybe like the week of Christmas, I will do their hair like fully all over. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'll probably start on Sky Pies first.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen.
What's up, y'all? So it's later in the day and I am headed to Bath and Body Works to see what candles they have. I did order a few this morning. It was real cool. Like, you had to wait in line and yeah, so you had to wait in line. Like, I waited like 25 minutes. I got on the site. I was able to get some, I think I told you guys this. I'll probably do that, get me some Chick-fil-A. I've really been wanting some Chick-fil-A. I have not had it in a very long time, probably over a month. I have not had like actual food from Chick-fil-A. I've had like a milkshake. So that's what we're doing. It's just me and Sky Pie. Oh, my shipment just came in when I was leaving. I saw that I had a box. Okay, let's smell it. Oh, I like this one. You want to get it? Smell it. Smell it. What you think?
Smells like pink.
You want to get it? Okay, get it. Ooh, you like that? I don't like it.
I like this one.
Ooh. Come over here, Sky. I like this. I'm gonna get one of those. Yo, I literally like went in on getting candles. Like, this year in general is like, I don't know. I guess I'm getting older. I get excited about candles, okay? Never been like this. However, like, I started getting more into candles like this year. Y'all can tell from my vlogs, like, anytime I'm in Burlington, anywhere, I'm smelling some candles. I even got the girls doing it. I just went in there and I got, how many more? 11 more. So that totals me up to 24 candles. So I should be good. Let's just pray my card stays in my purse until this sale is over, okay? Because I'm so tempted to go in there. And I smell sweater weather, and I really don't like the scent. Like, the name of it, I thought it was gonna be like, ooh, real like warm, cozy like-ish, but I don't like the smell. And then I smell strawberry lemonade. I'm gonna do like a whole haul. So I'm probably gonna wait until the rest of my candles get here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait until the rest of my candles get here so I can give you guys the rundown on the best candles to get. But I got a large variety. I'm gonna go back home today and I'm gonna smell them because I think I got a lot of winter scents. I think I did. Like a lot of winter scents. So I'm going to try to Like I want to go. I'm so tempted to get in some more strawberry lemonade, because when I tell y'all it smells so good, it really does. Oh, okay, y'all, we at Chick-fil-A and I am sitting here waiting for them to bring my food out. I went through the line, it just wasn't ready. But I was so y'all, I had forgot about the candle sale until I got on Instagram this morning, and Amber, one of my good friends, Amber, shout out to you because you're probably watching this. She wrote me and she was reminding me about the sale. Okay, I was thinking I had my other necklace on, but she was reminding me about the sale, and then I was just telling her, like, I just went up there and got some more, and then she gonna go tell me that she done got 40 candles. Honey, why is she influencing me? She's talking about, I think that's my food. Honey, I'm this close. I'm this close. I'm like, I need 40. You got 40, I need 40. Let me sit myself down and be satisfied with my 25, okay? Because that's more than enough. But you can never go. You can never have so many candles. What you said, baby? Huh? You did what?
I don't like this thing.
Okay. So I got my chicken nuggets, my fries, and my milkshake. Y'all are OG. Y'all already know this was my addiction when I was pregnant with Skylar. Not so much when I was pregnant with Summer, but when I was pregnant with Sky, I was literally like getting one of these every day. If not every day, every other day. Y'all know something else that like I was craving? I was craving Chipotle when I was pregnant with Skylar. And then when I got pregnant with Summer, or just even after I had Skylar, y'all, I could not eat Chipotle no more. And the same thing with Subway. I tore Subway down. But then after I had Skylar, like, I cannot eat Subway. Like, it makes me sick. It makes me sick. I think I tried it last year again, and I went up there, got a sub and everything, and y'all, I did not eat that thing. It just like made me so nauseous, so I don't even try anymore. Did that happen to y'all? Like, y'all was craving stuff, and then after you had the baby, like, I liked it before, now I can't even eat it. Yes, thank you so much. You also. All right, let's roll out.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
That is cool.
Look at my guys.
I love it. That's so cool. Summer, what color is that one? Green. What color are you using, Sky? Blue.
And then these are all the colors.
Okay.
Chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
The music's really cute.
Yeah, he done such a good job.
Favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the
So what? You gonna end the vlog with me? Alright guys, so
Good night. Good night, guys. And guess what we made?
as you can see, Skylar's hair looks fresh. Let them see your hair, baby. Her hair looks fresh. I'm in the middle of doing Summer's I did this plait going back because it just kept getting in her face. I should have did Skylar's going back as well. I like it hanging in their face, but it just gets very annoying with Summer just like trying to knock it out of her face. Anyways, we will see you guys tomorrow in another day of Vlogmas.
Biggie. And guys, guess who is at our house? The elf!
The elf is here, and guess what? You think she's gonna come to the hotel?
And I think she's gonna spot like me.
She gonna do what?
Probably she might get a spot.
She might go to the spa like you?
Yeah.
That would be cool, right?
Yeah, we both can get spot.
Are you excited?
Yeah! And guess what, guys? The current history and join us, squaw family. Bye, guys.
Bye. I was waiting for you to do that.
It's Christmas time.